Hey, welcome to Life with Colonel Lee. I am Colonel Lee. Today we're going to look at a tent that you can set up in the rain, and the inner tent is going to remain dry. This is a Jack Wolfskin Exolight one-person external pitch tent. Let's take a look at a Jack Wolfskin Exolight one-person. It's 3.2 pounds. All right, so 20 inches long. By 5 inches. Okay, we're gonna set up the Jack Wolfskin in the cold wind and rain. It's not raining real hard, but it's enough to get your tent wet when you're setting it up, which is what I want to show you. With is what I call an external pitch tent. So you do have two-way zipper. So that's always handy if you want to cook inside the vestibule. The heat and stuff can escape out of here. Or if you need to take a quick look out of the tent, you can do that. So let's zip this back. Open up this door. And you notice this this plastic hook right here that hooks onto the poles. That's so you can latch your door open easier. Just like that. All right, let's get some measurements of the tent here. So it's not a very wide tent. This is a minimalist backpacking tent. So we are looking at 26 inches wide. By 84 inches long. So we have a peak height of 39 inches. So we have a little kind of a door right here on this back wall. In the mesh. And what that does is allow you to put your shoes, maybe you want to put your backpack back here up on its side, and you can still get to things if you need to. And the back part of the tent does stretch out a bit, so it makes a very small but usable storage area. All right, we're inside here. So, yeah, it's I think a 23-inch wide pad will fit pretty decent in here, and I'm able to sleep sideways comfortably on a 23-inch wide pad. So, if you're looking to for lightweight, minimal, backpacking tent, this is definitely the way to go with an external pitch. So the tent body is attached to the rain fly, and you just leave it attached that way. and the poles go on the outside of the tent. So that way you can just keep the rain fly exposed to whatever the weather is, and then as you erect the tent body, all the mesh is always protected from the weather, and all that is getting the brunt of the weather is going to be your rain fly. All right, so here's our vestibule. It does go out, you know, a couple of feet. So it's size 12 shoes, so a couple of feet. It's not huge, but it's not bad for a one person. But like I said, you do get this other area over here that stretches out a little bit, and you can access your pack, or if you want to put your shoes over here, whatever, you can do that. All right, so you get a pocket right there. There's a pocket. This is a pocket just for the door. Keeps the door up out of the way. Get a loop here for a lantern. So behind me, there is no pocket over there. So it looks like you just get the two pockets. So you're able to sit up in here, you know, pretty decently. And if you want to, you can turn sideways. The back's up against the tent, but it's just hitting the mesh and it's not putting any strain on the structure, so it's not bad.